This is the third tutorial in the three-part Viewing Reports series. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use a combination of reports, as well as the Insight tool for the most thorough understanding of your course data. A key component of our learning science approach is how we use data to improve and enhance the learning experience. Data analysis can show us what seems more effective and what might be less so. In the previous reporting tutorials, we explored the specific purpose of each Connect report. In this video, we'll share how to best gauge the effectiveness of your assessments by cross-referencing multiple reports. This chart is organized by a list of course assessment objectives along the top row and 6 report types in the left column. The objectives include assess learning objectives, assess specific topics, identifying struggling students, assess instruction efficacy, assess student performance, and assess student engagement. Simply follow the column down to determine which reports should be viewed for the most thorough understanding of that assessment. Lastly, let's take a look at the reporting tool Connect Insight. Innovative and powerful, Connect Insight creates at-a-glance visual representations of course data that benefit both instructors and students. Dr. Mike Colbert, professor of psychology at Camden County College, explains the power of Insight.
Connect Insight allows instructors to answer 5 essential questions. How's my section doing? How are my students doing? How is this student doing? How is this assignment doing? How are my assignments doing? So the 5 questions Connect Insight addresses. How is my section doing allows me to get my finger on the pulse of the class. It allows me a quick evaluation of how the whole course is doing. How are my students doing allows me to know the students that are on target, but more importantly, allows me to identify the at-risk students. How is this student doing gives me up-to-the-minute data on a specific student. How are my assignments doing gives me a broad overview of how the students are responding to the assignments generally. How is this assignment doing allows me to look into a specific assignment for the course and see how the students are doing. It allows me to know exactly where they are, how they're performing, and ultimately improve student performance. It's easy to use, and it's so powerful.
If you are using SmartBook 2.0 in your course, please see the separate tutorial on SmartBook Reports. This concludes the 3-part Viewing Reports tutorial series. For more information on how to use your course data to assess the effectiveness of your course, partner with your dedicated implementation consultant for one-on-one training.